Sorry. Hello.
I think I'm scared now.
Should be.
Yeah.
Anyway, look.
Welcome to another video.
Shopping channel.
Yeah.
We've been sent.
RCTV, it sounds like QVC, doesn't it?
We have been sent, which is really funny because Toby just bought a new Bluetooth set for his helmet. We've been sent some stuff.
By Sena.
This is the Sena 10C Pro. And we're going to unbox it, talk about what's in it, then we're going to fit it to a helmet, and then we're going to do a ride with it.
Yeah. Well, we both use
Interphone Tours.
The Interphone Tour, well,
And
or
the
the Avant, for all our
dust all over me.
For all of our communications and things while we're riding. But because we're out and about and we've got drifts stuck on the side of the helmet, we saw these and we were talking to Sena about what they were like, and we thought we'd give them a try, because having that all in one thing, not necessarily about the music and stuff, but having the microphone in the helmet and being able to go along and do our videos, we thought we'd give it a try and see what they're like. And Sena were really good and they sent them to us.
So we'll get to unbox it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shall I get my phone out ready to
go?
No.
You'll be alright. What's the worst that can happen?
So this is the Sena 10C Pro with an integrated camera.
More of the knife.
All of the Bluetooth stuff. So
can you talk a bit longer? I haven't done it yet.
yeah, well, you undo the sleeve and then I can use that to prompt me. So
there you go. Undo the sleeve.
There you go. So this 10C Pro. Not only does, I think it's going to look quite funky actually, judging by the picture on the box and by the reviews that I've seen and had a look through. Bluetooth 4.1. It's a unibody design, so it's all one thing, and it encompasses a 1440p QHD video.
Wow!
How cool is that?
Does that mean something?
Well, yeah, because it does mean a lot to a lot of people that do videos.
Does it?
Yeah. It's got 125 degrees of wide view, field of view. Ooh. When you're filming. Wow. And the good thing about this is the lens, like our drift, where you put it on anyway and then you can rotate the lens. So you can rotate the lens up to 30 degrees. It's got an intercom that you can connect up to 1.6 kilometres. That's really quite good considering what else is stuck in there. Yeah. 4-way intercom, so you can have 4 people connected to it. Smart audio, voice prompts, water resistant, noise activate or advanced noise control, music sharing, can be used while you're on the road.
You weren't even reading it, were you?
No.
Anyway, so there's lots on it.
Built-in radio, FM, and it's got a smartphone app.
Wow. That's important then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Smartphone.
Anyway, yeah, just imagine you could sit on your phone and you could, because you can set it up on your helmet, sit on your phone and work out where it's pointing so you can get it in the right place, rather than what we were doing, trial and error and trying different videos.
Okay. What if you like doing that?
You don't look that impressed.
Well, you know, it takes a lot. Anyway, do you want to talk about the box? Because you like the boxes normally.
Well, I like the clean design.
When you wake up, nobody will remember this conversation.
You can tell at the moment my day job is about designing websites and designing packages, can't you? Because I really think they look quite nice.
Wonderful. Anyway, open the box. Open the box. Look what's in the box.
At that.
Look.
I like it.
You do?
The unit, well, leave it till last. Well, you do as you want to take it out, but I think that unit looks a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
Yeah. It's to do with mirrors, normally. Right. Here we go. So, you get them, you don't need them, do you? Who needs instructions?
Well,
there you get a...
Oh, that's really good. So you get a... What would you call it? Like a power outlet?
It's a cigarette lighter. They don't have them in cars now, but they call them something else now, don't they?
Yeah.
But that won't fit in a BMW one, will it? On a motorbike. You'd have to buy the DIN connection, which would make it 2 foot long.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you've got that coily thing.
Yeah.
Another one of those USB...
Oh yeah, micro USB
connections with an inline fuse. I think that's what they call it, isn't it?
I don't know. I think that's got something to do with stopping interference, isn't it?
I don't know.
I don't think it's
thought it was a fuse. All right. Well, I beg to differ, and
Someone will tell us in the comments,
sure.
I'm sure.
I'm sure. So you get one of them, and then in here.
Oh,
what are you doing, you weirdo?
hang on. Have you ever opened a new GoPro box? The smell of GoPro plastic is amazing. I know it sounds really weird, but I really like the smell of them.
Just put that somewhere where it's not far away, and you get a bag of stuff.
Brilliant. Well, that's all you get in the box. So shall I move the box out of the way?
There you go. Open the bag of stuff. He says with his gammy hands it won't work.
So you get the speakers.
Is that a speaker?
Shall I take them out?
If you want to. You get covers for the speakers.
Yeah.
That's really heavy,
So you
actually.
get 2 speakers, and they're quite big.
They're heavy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Anyway, lots of different covers.
Yeah. Oh, and then they're obviously magnetic because they've got the speakers in. It
There
tells
you
you
go.
what to remove.
You get a microphone cover.
You get several microphone covers.
You get a microphone. You have to get it out the back.
Yeah. Like a boom.
A boom microphone.
Like a boom.
There you go. Boom microphone with one of those paddy things will fit over
I'll
it.
tell you what, they're really good. You get thick pads, so if you've got a real big divot in your helmet and they're too far away, presumably you put them in and then put the microphones on them.
Cool.
That's
That'll
good.
work.
Yeah.
Obviously, you get a little microphone that fits on. I'll show you there. Look, you want me to get it out of the bag? Don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like Christmas, isn't it?
So much fat.
It's like Christmas.
Okay, so you get a little microphone. If you've got a full face helmet, that would stick on the front.
Oh, look at that. You know these massive, great big things that we've just been talking
You
about?
get smaller ones.
You get smaller ones. And then, but look at this. Excuse me. It looks as though...
Can you remember which bag it came out of? Because I'm a little bit fussy about things coming out the wrong bag.
No, I know that's
back in
not
the
true.
wrong bags.
And you get these little covers for the actual...
Wow.
for the actual speakers that go over, so that's really nice. They're really heavy, aren't
Yeah,
they,
they
compared
are.
to
I'm
the
surprised.
ones that we've had before.
You know, if they don't work, we can always go and do a bit of river dragging.
Yeah, tramps by the river.
Thrown in the river so you can pull out. And you get this. Now I've got to say I'm a little bit concerned about this because I don't really like clamps on the bottom of my helmet. But here we go. We have a clamp that will fit on the bottom of your helmet and actually looks a bit smaller than normal, so that might be okay.
But
So.
there's something with a sticky pad on there.
And there's a sticky pad one as well. Ah, there is a sticky pad. Got to get that out of the bag as well, haven't I?
Brilliant. Well, shall I move these bags out the way?
Don't shuffle them, don't shuffle them. Okay, so you get a sticky pad, which I assume is for the camera and all the rest of the
Yeah, because
bits
that's
and
the
pieces.
one, that the elephant in the room is the fact that we've looked at all the bits that come with it, but not actually the
And
unit.
done, thank you very much.
Thank you. I thought that would be a lot bigger, judging by the picture on there. Is it true to scale? Oh.
Look at that, it actually is, but
Wow.
I grant you, it did look a lot bigger. So it's got a whirly thing,
Jog wheel?
is that what they call it?
Yeah.
Okay, you've got a cover for the lens on the camera. I suppose if you're not using your camera, you can
Cover it?
cover it. There's
Yeah.
a switch on the top, there's a fin for some reason. I presume that's a bit of an aerial.
Aerial, isn't it?
There you go.
These technically minded people.
And there's a connector at the bottom, so...
And you've got some other ports down there. You've got these
where did
ports
you spot
down the
them?
bottom. What's that one
That's
for?
an SD card.
Yeah. Which it doesn't come with.
But I would imagine it's a mini SD, isn't it? Mini SD card.
Yeah. But it's really strange, isn't it? The amount of money that it must cost to mass produce micro SD cards, and then you spend money on something like this or something better or something worse or whatever, but something that you like that needs that, you would think it would come with it.
You would?
Because that's what it's circa, it's over 300 quid, isn't it?
I think it's nearly 4 actually.
Yeah.
But then you go, and it doesn't appear to be charged, so we can't switch it on. But there you go, that's it, that's all your gubbins. That, obviously, clips in there somehow. It would be upside down, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that will go in there, off the side of the helmet. And I'm guessing that that has the same thing.
I'm
That's
really
very
quite,
slim, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I'm really quite pleased that they've they've included that one in there because I don't like these bits. I was saying, I think on another video for the interphone, that it gets caught up in my collar quite a bit. I don't like it. I don't even wear one of those snood things 'cause I hate it.
So there we go.
On there, isn't that good? That you put it on there and then you can twist it round and then you can tighten it up. Because it's got the screw bit in there.
There you go. I wouldn't have thought of that.
And then that means that when it's on your helmet, you can move the orientation of it around on the little teeth that I can feel in there.
Right.
That's really good, isn't it? Seems quite a cumbersome kind of connection, but that's without us putting it in the helmet and trying it out. So
Yep. There we go.
I think we'll probably feel a little bit different when it's on there, but
There we go. So like that, weighs,
does it say on the box how much it weighs?
don't know, probably in the, need the probably in there, in the huge volumes of instructions,
Yeah, it doesn't say on the box, but
which will remain closed.
the weight of that is less than the weight of the HD Ghost drift cameras that we use.
Yep. Very much so.
Yeah.
So I like that.
Wow.
Right, we can put it back in the box.
Oh, I like that. Hang on.
I think you can go to special websites for that normally. So there we go, put that back in the box and we'll say the...
Yeah. So that's a very quick unboxing.
Yep.
So I guess what we might do from here is put them into your helmet.
Into a helmet.
Because what we want to do is, we're always looking for ways to improve our videos, aren't we?
Yep.
And the videos, the drift cameras are
You would have thought so, but we are.
The cameras are really, really good. They've been reliable up until now. They're still reliable. But the microphone sometimes plays up a little bit and we've got to do a bit of post-editing and stuff. If it's all in one unit,
Might be better.
hopefully that'll make it a little bit better.
So
Obviously you guys will be the judge.
Let's go on from there then.
Yeah, so keep checking our videos out because then you'll be able to see us fit it to the helmet and then tell us what you think about
There we go.
videos.
Don't need this anymore, do we?
I don't know.
Okay.
But anyway, follow us, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. All the links will be in the description. All of the stuff of how to contact Sena and look at buying your own. We said that they sent it to us, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Yes, we did.
So we'll see you soon.
Thank you very much.